Have you ever looked at your attic and wondered if it could become one of the most beautiful rooms in your home? Instead of letting this hidden space collect dust, imagine transforming it into a cozy retreat, a productive workspace, or a charming getaway filled with vintage character. In today's video, we'll explore inspiring attic decorating ideas that combine style, comfort, and functionality. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Dijah Decor, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment sharing your favorite attic decorating idea. Let's get started. One of the greatest advantages of an attic is its distinctive architectural character. Sloped ceilings, exposed beams, and unexpected angles create a sense of charm that can't be replicated elsewhere in the home. Rather than hiding these features, celebrate them with carefully chosen colors, lighting, and furniture that complement the room's natural personality. An attic makes the perfect location for a peaceful reading nook. Place a comfortable armchair beneath a skylight, add a vintage side table, layer soft blankets, and include shelves filled with favorite books. Warm lighting and textured rugs complete a relaxing atmosphere where you can escape from everyday distractions. Because attic spaces often have awkward corners, custom-built storage can make a remarkable difference. Install cabinets beneath low ceilings, floating shelves along angled walls, or window seat storage benches that keep clutter hidden while maintaining an open and organized appearance. Every inch becomes both beautiful and practical. Bright colors can visually expand an attic, making it feel larger and more inviting. Soft whites, warm creams, pale grays, and gentle beige tones reflect available light while creating a timeless vintage-inspired backdrop. Pair these shades with natural wood accents to add warmth without overwhelming the space. Vintage furniture brings personality and authenticity to attic interiors. Consider refinished dressers, antique writing desks, weathered trunks, or elegant upholstered chairs that tell a story. Mixing classic pieces with modern comfort creates an inviting room that feels collected over time rather than recently purchased. If possible, maximize daylight with skylights or dormer windows. Natural light instantly makes an attic feel more spacious and welcoming. Sheer curtains allow sunlight to filter softly into the room while preserving privacy, creating a bright environment that's perfect for relaxing or working. Once the sun sets, layered lighting becomes essential. Combine ceiling fixtures with table lamps, wall sconces, and decorative floor lamps to eliminate dark corners. Warm-toned bulbs create a cozy atmosphere that highlights textures, vintage decor, and architectural details beautifully. Attics can become inspiring home offices where creativity flourishes. Position a desk near natural light, add ergonomic seating, and include attractive storage solutions that keep supplies organized. Decorative artwork and vintage accessories make the workspace feel motivating while maintaining a refined aesthetic. Comfort comes from thoughtful layering. Plush area rugs, linen curtains, knitted throws, velvet cushions, and woven baskets soften the hard architectural lines often found in attics. These textures create visual depth while making the room feel warm and welcoming throughout every season. Houseplants introduce life and freshness into attic interiors. Choose varieties that thrive in the available lighting conditions, and display them in vintage ceramic pots or woven baskets. Greenery softens the room, improves its atmosphere, and beautifully complements wood, brick, and neutral color palettes. A thoughtfully designed attic can serve multiple functions without feeling crowded. Combine a guest bedroom with a reading corner, a craft area with storage, or a home office with a relaxation zone. Flexible furniture allows the room to adapt as your family's needs change over time. The most memorable attic spaces reflect the personalities of those who use them. Display vintage artwork, family heirlooms, framed photographs, travel souvenirs, or handmade decorations that add emotional value. Personal touches transform a beautiful room into a meaningful retreat you'll truly enjoy spending time in. An unused attic holds incredible potential to become one of the most stylish, comfortable, and functional spaces in your home. By embracing its unique architecture, maximizing storage, incorporating vintage decor, and adding cozy textures, you can create a retreat that's both practical and inspiring. If you enjoyed these attic decorating ideas, be sure to subscribe to Dijah Decor, like this video, and leave a comment sharing which idea you'd love to try first. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next decorating inspiration.